And you need to know that your goal is more of a look and a perpetual gain in strength than it is a body weight. And once you get that through your head, once you commit to that idea, your success will be so much closer. Hi, my name is Jaquish. I'm a doctor of biomedical engineering, which gives me a unique perspective on all sorts of things. Today, I want to talk about fitness goals, specifically body weight goals, and why you should never have one. Now, I know that sounds crazy. With most people, when they start training, it's like, I want to lose 20 pounds. That makes sense. They're admitting that they're 20 pounds overweight, or at least they think they're 20 pounds overweight. By the way, it's usually way more. And they think like as soon as they lose 20 pounds, they'll be lean and they'll look fantastic and all their muscles will show and it'll just be wonderful. The problem is you diet down, and if you have a body weight in mind, what ends up going through your head is you come to the realization, or you should come to the realization, that you were actually a lot fatter than you thought you were. But instead, what a lot of people do is they just imagine they're losing muscle while they're dieting. Now, it's actually, if you're exercising while you're dieting, the chances of that are very low. Like, you've got to really brutally rob yourself of the energy to work out and have like a 1,500 calorie deficit, something really irresponsible, before that's gonna happen to a degree where you won't be able to have effective workouts. Also, by having this body weight goal, is what happens is you come down to what you think your goal is, and then you end up trying to eat more and end your diet so that you keep that body weight. And every once in a while I hear somebody go like, I want to be 250. And it's like, oh, okay, like 250 doing what, and it's like they're eating calories. And this also falls in line with the whole stupid idea of like you need to eat big to get big, which is completely not true. Me, for example, I used to think I wanted to weigh like 225 and be absolutely shredded. Well, that's probably impossible. I'm 6 feet tall, and right now I weigh 200 pounds. Like, I'm lean, ish. I'm not absolutely shredded, but close. And I only weigh 200 pounds. So I would have been so upset thinking that being at 200 pounds was just like too small or something like that. It's obviously not. Also, I lift with some of the strongest people in the world with my X3 workouts. One of my regular workout buddies is Ray McDonald, an absolute NFL legend. He and I use exactly the same setup for most of our exercises. Like, I'm incredibly strong, and that is the metric you should be tracking. When it comes to your fitness, yes, you should try and be as lean as possible, but from a muscularity standpoint, your gauge of how much muscle is there is strength. Never let it be anything other than strength. Because when you're just looking at strength, you're going to continue to grow muscle. As long as you're getting stronger every workout, and I have another video called Endless Growth, which you should see if you haven't seen it, where I talk about how you will always be able to grow more muscle. Even when you're at a high level of development, the increments are smaller, but apparently, and the research does demonstrate this, and I'll put the study up, even with older adults, you can continue to grow muscle via progressive overload. And you need to know that, and you need to know that your goal is more of a look and a perpetual gain in strength than it is a body weight. And once you get that through your head, once you commit to that idea, your success will be so much closer. Thank you for watching, and leave a comment. I will see you on the next one.
If this video helped you, I want you to subscribe and follow. I'm going to put out videos on a regular basis. I think they're going to help a whole lot of people, especially if you're one of those people that doesn't just instantly grow from lifting regular weights. We've got the answer for you.